How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to link your Facebook account to Gmail. Now, first things first, let's head on to your Facebook account, or Facebook application rather. Then once you've done that, click on your profile icon right here and scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. Now, once you've done that, go to Personal Information right here. Just click on that. And go to Contact Info. As you can see, there is a Add Email Address option right here. So just click on that. And simply add an email address that you want. And enter your password and click on Add Email. So that's it for this video, everyone, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!